channel. So today's video is actually a little different, or actually like really different than usual. So I look really different. This is what I usually look like when I go to my internship. I'm just business casual with very minimal makeup. And so today I am recording, like refilming a video that I have already filmed, and it accidentally got deleted. I do not know how, but I was really devastated. I was gonna edit it last night and upload it for you guys, and I couldn't find the footage. I don't know, it just disappeared, and so here I am. But the part is, I am decorating my graduation cap, and when I recorded it, I was doing it step by step. You know, I was working on it with you guys, and now I can only explain to you guys how I did it, you know, what I used, and any tips and advice on what I would recommend you guys to do. So I hope you guys still enjoy watching this video. Let me know down below if you're a college student and will be graduating this year or this semester. And if you're planning on decorating your cap, let me know down below if what you plan on putting. I feel like what I put on mine really, what do you say? I feel like what I put on mine really describes me as a person. I can really relate to it, so that's why I put it. I was inspired by somebody else, so I definitely will show a picture. And so if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe and join the fam. And without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So this is my finished graduation cap. It says you can never be overdressed or overeducated. And so this little, all of this font letters are on here are all decals. So I did get them from Etsy. And so these little flowers are actually from Michael's. So I'm going to be showing you guys all that you need for this tutorial. A hot glue gun, so just a regular hot glue gun, doesn't matter. Some decals, and actually the place where I got them from is called RSVP by WR. I'll link them down below. And so this is the decals from where I got them. And you're also going to need some little flowers. I got these from Michael's, so I actually got two sets. I got some butterflies, and then I got a mixed arrangement of flowers, and that's basically all that you need. So I do want to talk a little bit about the process of decals. So this was my first time applying a decal, and all I'm going to say is it does take time. It took me a good amount, like an hour or so of just applying these. And take in mind, it wasn't like a big paper where it's positioned like this. It's like you have to cut them. So I cut this individually, that you can. And then I cut never individually, then I cut the word be individually, overdressed individually, and so forth, because then I was able to place them where I wanted them. The next thing that I do want to say with the decal, so you are going to need like a little credit card, or just a card, you know, just any type of card. And so there's basically 3 layers. So there's 3 layers to a decal. You take off like a clear back layer, and then you're going to position it like towards the bottom like this, and it's gonna have 2 more layers. So you're gonna scrape off with a, or I wouldn't say scrape off, but just gently really push on the decal with like a card or something, and then you're gonna start to take off the plastic, if that makes sense. So then the sticky part will go on here. This does take a while, and not always is it gonna like pick up the decal. So if it doesn't, you just place it back and then go with the credit card, press it back, and then pick it back up. So that's what takes the longest. Once you get that done, then it's really easy. Then you just position it on here, and then you rip off the plastic, and it's pretty straightforward. But like I said, taking off the decal like from the second layer is really what I struggled with the most, and it takes a lot of patience. So just have a lot of patience if you are getting decals. But I really like the outcome of this, because I wouldn't have been able to get this kind of lettering without a decal. So I definitely will recommend to get a decal. Next up, for the flowers, I did use super glue, and one tip that I would advise you guys is to always position the flowers to where you want them to be. So for my graduation cap, I always made sure to kind of play with them a little bit and just kind of position them to where I wanted them to be, like around here. And this way, this gives you an idea, because once you super glue them on, you cannot move them again. So I would like to say that the super glue has held up really, really good to the flowers. So I actually got this idea inspired from another girl on Pinterest, which I did not find her name, but I'll list a picture. I'll show it here, because hers did not have or did it have decals? I think it did have decals, but the flowers were different and the word, like the lettering is different a bit, like the font. But sometimes I see some people do it with stickers, which is completely fine, but I really wanted this kind of, like, what is it called? This kind of font that was really cursive-y. So that is why I went with the decal, but you can easily achieve this even with just some stickers from Michael's, and those just stick just as well. So one thing that I will say is make sure you purchase just what you want, because I was left with quite a few extra things. And another thing that I will say is, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, Michael's has really good deals, so always make sure to use coupons when you're purchasing your stuff, just to look on the website because they have good deals. Other than that, like I said, it was just really easy, and on my footage that got deleted I was actually doing this, but unfortunately I can't do it again. I only wanted to show you guys what I used, how I did it, and just some tips and advice how you would want to decorate it. If you do want to complete this design, it's totally okay, and if you want to do it the same way I did, it's totally okay. Please tag me and show me how yours came out. But I basically just played with the layout and the design of it, and I am totally happy with how it came out. I was debating on putting maybe a flower here in the middle, but I thought it'd be too much since I still have to put my tassel on here. So I feel like with the tassel itself is already going to be enough. So like so, I think it looks great. I think it looks really cute. And I'm totally obsessed with how it came out. I was a little scared to work with the decals, but like I said, patience is key, and I know you guys, if you guys have patience, you can do this. If that am a really impatient person, can do, or how do I say this? If I'm a really impatient person and was able to do this, you can do it too. I have faith. And so yeah, I just played with the design, kind of hid some under here. Under here, these are all hot glued. I was a little concerned because these are heavier. So, and if you're wondering if my cap is really heavy, no it's not, like after these big flowers and stuff. So yeah, that's basically how I decorated my cap, and let me know your thoughts down below. I honestly am obsessed. It's so cute, so girly, and this is just what I wanted. And I feel like this quote really describes me well. Like, you can never be overdressed or overeducated, because I'm always overdressed to everything because I love dressing up, and you know, I just love a good presentation. And you know, I always think education is really important, so that's why I did that quote. I feel like it reflects me really well. And yeah, so once again, I'm really sorry that I wasn't able to show you guys step by step, but if only my camera wasn't playing, I would have been able to. But I still wanted to include this, so let me know if this was any helpful for you. I'm interested in doing a lot more DIYs, so let me know down below if you guys want to see what kind of like DIYs would you guys be interested in seeing, because I'm open just for anything. So yeah, so let me know down in the comments what you think of this video, and also make sure to subscribe if you haven't joined the fam. Make sure you do, and without further ado, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.